Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install Freecam Pro script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. The script will cost you around £20. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Then go to config.lua. So this is a configuration of the script over here. In the framework section, I'll be changing the standalone to QBCore over here. If you keep the permission to false, then everyone in the server can use the command /freecam and access the Freecam menu. So I'll be keeping it on false. So this is a configuration for QBCore and this is a configuration for ESX over here. In the QB section, the resource name is going to be QBCore and these are the permissions for the admin over here. And this is a configuration for job log. So I'll be keeping it on false for now. And this is a command to activate the Freecam. And there are much more configurations available. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's enable the Freecam over here. For that, we just have to type /freecam. And as you can see over here, the Freecam has been activated. And you can take out the cam and roam wherever you want. You can see my character is standing over there. Check out guys, the range of the cam is super far as you can see. You can use this cam in the real time of the server. Through this script, you can record the unique RP events which are happening in the server. Even you can rotate the cam with the help of Q and E buttons. By pressing shift button, you can increase the speed of the cam. Now let's open the Freecam menu. For that, we just have to press F6. And here you can see the Freecam menu. From here you can change the moving speed and the sensitivity of the cam. And you can change the field of view from here. As you can see. You can also add keyframes or start recording from here. And there are much more options. Let's check out the targets option. From here we can select the target for our focus. With this option, we can spawn lights for our scene. In the label section, I'll be giving it a name of 1. The light type is going to be spotlight. And the color of the light is going to be white over here. And there are much more configurations. You can configure it according to your preference. After that, click on spawn at camera. So here you can see, we have successfully spawned the light. So this is the light over here. Now let's spawn one more light. This time I'll be changing the label's name to 2 and selecting the color to cyan over here. After that, click on spawn at camera. Here, let's spawn the red light. So this is the look of the scene after the lights as you can see. Now to remove the light, we just have to click on delete button. Now let's check out the visuals option. With this option, we can add filters on our scene. As you can see. This is a section for keyframes. This is a section for recording. And this is a section to save our recording. This is the best script out there to create your own cinematic scenes. Now let's turn off the Freecam. For that, we just have to type /freecam again. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.